In this video, I'll show you how to fix the infinite loading screen issue in GTA 4 where the game gets stuck and never loads. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Right click on the exe that you used to launch and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. And now right click on the newly created shortcut and select properties. Right click on the desktop and select display settings. Select advanced display. Select the display adapter properties. And now you can able to see dedicated video memory. Check my video description for this text used in my video. Copy the text and paste it in notepad and leave a space bar and type the dedicated video memory. In my case 59979 15979. After typing the video memory, copy this whole command. Make sure you have the space in starting, and at this end of this target paste the command we copied. As you can see here one space and here one space, and then select apply and OK for save changes. Launch the game using the newly created shortcut. Now your loading screen problem will be fixed. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.